Egret orchid, which has now finally bloomed, and you can see there's one right next door. Really, really cute. Look at all that.
On a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care.
And I definitely have some more coming in very soon. And as I said, they were probably only going to be a couple more days, and they were just going to pop open. So I can't wait to see what it's going to look like when they're all in bloom. However, I'm actually supposed to be going to California. I have a little bit of problems out there, so I have to go traveling for a moment. So hopefully by the time I get back, they'll all be in bloom. I do want to give a quick little update of the actual flower and the bloom itself. See, very, very tall and slender, browning leaves, but don't mind that, completely normal. There we are. So you can see probably it stands about, probably I'd say almost 2 feet from the soil line. Very nice, very elegant. So this is also known as Perennial Radiata. And there's another terrestrial that looks like it. It's related to a jewel orchid, I believe, but a completely different name. But this one is just a regular variety. There's also Majinga and a couple others. Some that are like variegated in leaves, and some that are like crazy. They have all kinds of like different kinds of bloom patterns. Very nice, but however this one is the standard one, but still incredibly beautiful. Almost looks like little swans or egrets. Completely white, just ice white, completely. Just it's white as snow. So cool. Can't wait to see what the other blooms are gonna look like. This one has 2. And just standard just have 1 as well. The 2 ones will be very interesting. I haven't seen that before. I mean, it does happen on these species, but that's a new one for me.
Yeah, there might not be a palm tree inside, but there's not a cloud in your blue.
So I guess this, in a way, is like a good representation of what to look for. So you're gonna see that in the first stage. There's the one behind. You see that? And we're gonna come through this. And final end product. Really neat. There's no fragrance, but still an eye catcher though. In Japan, I mean, they grow these like crazy. I mean, it's like pots and pots full, and you'll see thousands of these. And you know, they just grow it like it's nothing. They just pot in some Kanuma soil and some sphagnum moss, and boom, they're good to go, and they're ready for next year basically as well. As soon as they're done flowering, they're gonna reseed back into the soil, and the corms are going to multiply as they probably already have. But I'm going to let it dry out, but we will get to that in another video. But as for now, just want to keep the blooms, and it's just wow, stunning. It's great. Such a beauty. Totally like a white egret in flight. So neat. But that is it, guys. Just wanted to show you that. Hope y'all enjoyed the little video. Please leave a comment down below, and like and subscribe as always. And I'll be making another video soon when I come back to California. Hope to see them all in bloom, and I will definitely share it all with you when I come back. So thank you very much, guys, and as always, happy growing.
Till the sun's up Monday.